The Microdesk comes in a flat pack box and is easily assembled. You take out the platform top and put upside down on a desk. Take out the side sections and the 4 legs. Screw the short legs into the front and the long legs into the rear of the sides. Press the sides into the platform top with the shorter section adjacent to the slot on the platform. Turn the platform the right way up and place over rear of keyboard. Adjust the height of the legs so that you can get your fingers beneath the front edge of the platform to get to the function keys, and so the platform slope suits your work. Place the paper ledge at the front of the platform. You have a choice of a low ledge, which is comfortable for writing over but only supports a few sheets of paper, or a high ledge, which supports files, folders, books, etc., but is too high for writing over. You have to write to the side of this where there is a flat surface. You can also place your smartphone, tablet, computer or calculator on the Microdesk platform to prevent twisting to the side or dropping your head when using these items. The mouse is used to the side of the keyboard in front of the Microdesk on either the left or the right side. The non-slip ruler provides a solid line guide when working with rows of figures. If you are not using your keyboard, you can pull the Microdesk towards you to help read and write in a relaxed position.